Welcome back. Today we're going to be having a slow cooker stew for you. This is called Pirate Stew. It's going to be a combination of a bunch of items, and it's going to be nice, thick, and hearty. So let's get going. All right, we have our 10-inch cast iron skillet. We're going to throw our ground beef in here. Break it up just a little bit. Help it get going. And we're going to cook this down till there's no more pink. Okay, we have our ground beef cooked down. All the pink is gone. We're going to strain this and rinse all the grease off. Okay, we have our slow cooker. We're going to add the meat. Spread that along the bottom. Okay, we're going to add our onions. I'm going to add our rice. Cubed cut potatoes. Our chopped celery. Drained kidney beans, rinsed from the can. We're going to add some salt. I'm going to add some pepper, chili powder, Worcestershire, now we're going to add our tomato sauce. And last but not least, we'll add our water. All right, put the lid on. Okay, we're going to put this on low for 6 hours. Okay, it's been 6 hours. Let's open this up, give it a stir, and see what we got. Good. Potatoes are soft. All right, let's give this pirate stew a try. It is scalding hot. Oh, this is real thick. This will really put meat on your bones. Potatoes are nice and soft. The rice really makes it real thick. Nice cold fall, winter, spring, whenever. This is great. Nice and tasty. So until next time, this is the Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.